Okay, guys, if you haven't figured it out, we've been doing a lot of traveling the last few days. So go back and check some of the videos, especially the ones on Friday and Saturday, because I show you pictures of where we visited. We went to the Creation Museum and we went to the Ark Encounter, which were amazing. We came home for a day, washed all of our clothes, got back in the car, and then we are now in Florida. But just because we're in Florida doesn't mean that we're going to jip out on you guys. We definitely want to make sure that you guys have amazing things happening and having videos on hookedonpickin.com. So we pre-recorded a lot of these things, but we also set up promo codes for you guys. So today I'm going to be offering you a promo code for the snacks and candy category, but I'm also going to give you a sneak peek of the house that we're staying in while we're in Florida. So we're doing the Orlando, Walt Disney World Universal Studios thing. And so we're super excited. We want to show you the house that we're staying in. It's really amazing. And because we do reselling, that's why we get to take vacations like this. We work our heinies off, and you know that. And so we needed a break. And so for the snacks and candy category, we definitely want to show you some things that are really, really cool. And so we're going to go ahead and switch over to hookedonpickin.com. Just one sec. All right, so we are going to jump over to hookedonpickin.com. Here's hookedonpickin.com. We're in the snacks and candy category, and we have lots of yummy goodness in the snacks and candy category. I'm going to show you all the different things that are in the snacks and candy category. Then I'm going to show you the promo code. So you will have a promo code, a word that you have to type in when you check out. You probably have noticed this is kind of a theme, and so we're going to give you a different word each day, and so make sure you watch each video each day so you know exactly what words to use in order to get that 20% off of that particular collection. All right, so this snacks and candy category, we have the Little Red Kitchen 2-pack of cookies, various different flavors that you can choose from. We also have assorted bags, 3.5-ounce bags of Jelly Bellies. We even have the bamboozled ones, which are the really gross ones. We even have hot and spicy ones. We've got kids mix, fruit mix, all sorts of fun ones. We've got some Hammond gourmet chocolate bars. Those have been super popular with you guys. You guys have loved each and every kind that we get, and so we are definitely going to have to keep all of those in stock with the yummy goodness. And I will make sure that I put enough online so that we sell out while we're on vacation for the snacks and candy category. Then we have Hammonds. These are Easter egg shaped lollipops, but they're basically just the spiral lollipops. They're just more oval shaped. And so we've got various different flavors of those. So we've got some grape ones left in stock there. And then I do have another listing right here of the lollipops in various different flavors. So we got bubblegum flavored, strawberry flavored, various different ones. Then of course we have the Hammonds candy popcorns. So we've got a lot of the Hammonds popcorns, and people love this kind. So we've got sugary churro, caramel glazed birthday cake, sriracha cheddar, sweet and cheesy, chocolate caramel, and cheesy pizza. So we've got all of those that are available for sale. Remember, I'm going to give you a promo code so you get 20% off of all of these items, okay? So then we have the Hammonds candy marshmallow treats, $4.99 for those. Then, of course, our favorite, the cotton candy. And we have so many different flavors of cotton candy. I'm going to actually put some more in stock before I even go on vacation. So, yes, we've got a few of these that are crossed out, but we're going to put them back in stock. But look at all the different flavors. Caramel apple, maple bacon, cookies and cream, pizza, grape, spicy pickle. What do we got down here? Classic pink, strawberry lemonade, chocolate covered strawberry wedding cake, frosted donut, pancake, strawberry cheesecake. Oh my goodness, losing my mind. So many different kinds of cotton candy. Then of course we have our Candy Club jar of sweets. We have various different chewy and taffy candies. We even have a sugar free. And we have a licorice drops right there, grab and go bag. These are really nice and handy for those on the road trips. We've got some little lemon cakes, which are super yummy, made by the same makers. They're Hammonds lemon cakes. They make the marshmallows, they make the popcorn, they make the lollipops, they make the candy bars. And so we have had nothing but rave reviews from the Hammonds candies. Then we've got our fun candy sticks. These are super fun. We've got cherry, coconut, they're only 50 cents a piece. Choco mint, tangerine, lemon, clove, spearmint, green apple, blackberry, and s'mores. How fantastic is that? Then on our second page, we only have 2 pages of snacks and candy. We have got some Hammonds peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. Yum. Okay, so these are, we've got birthday cake, salted caramel, and peanut butter chocolate chip. And currently right now we only have the birthday cake ones in stock of these cookies. Then we have Orbit's gum. We've got some Hot Pops lollipops. We got the Bruiser. This is a 1.7 inch jawbreaker. We've got Finders Keepers. These are little treats. They kind of are like the there was a little orange packaged egg treat that they used to have too, that they stopped marketing, but these are got little cars in them, so you eat the chocolate and have little cars. And then SpongeBob SquarePants has little figurines in it as well. So if you look, all of these guys, you get one of these random figurines inside the chocolate. So $3.99 for those Finders Keepers ones. Then we've got our licorice. This is Australian style licorice, just FYI. We have watermelon, strawberry, and black licorice. I know on the picture it only has the 2, but we do actually carry the black licorice as well for those of you who like that. So those are our 2 kinds. Oh wait, one more thing. I almost went by it right here. Oh wait, dog treats. They're not edible. They're just toys. But they came up under the food category. So those are also on sale for 20% off. Then we have these awesome Star Wars sculpted handled character mug with hot cocoa in them. Now we're in the midst of ordering more of these, so they'll be in soon, but we do currently still have the C3PO mug for those. All right, so that's super fun. And so we're going to go ahead and show you the house that we're staying in, just so that you can see all the fun that we're going to have. And so let me go ahead and switch screens right here, and we're going to show you. This will be the house we're going to stay in for vacation. How fun is that, right? So this is a really nice style house in a gated community. So here's the living room, the dining room area, more dining room. You really can get a great house in the Orlando area. Big old kitchen, some couches, nice, sunny. We just loved the look of this place. So we're not going to be there very much. King size bed for Paul and I, and right off the pool. So really neat. That's the pool there with the sunset. And it's on a lanai. Then this is one of the queen bedrooms. Their own bathroom. And this is really cool. So there's a door right here, right off the pool, so you don't have to walk through the whole house. So there's a bathroom basically right off the pool. Then here's another queen bedroom. And another bathroom. And then a twin bedroom. So this one will probably be Faith's. James and Lexi will probably each get the queen ones. And this was one of the main reasons why we wanted to get this place, because it has an air hockey table and a pool table for when we're home in the evening. A little couch area in there. So, and then this is the screened in porch with the lanai. It's got a hot tub. So anyway, little neighborhood that we're going to be staying in. Super cute little house. And because we do reselling, we can stay in an awesome place just like this. So we are super duper excited about it. And we're going to be relaxing today in it after we do all the fun things we do at the Disney World parks and the Universal Studios parks. So that's what we're doing while we're basically on vacation here in Florida. So I just thought I'd give you a sneak peek of what's going on in our lives and the fun that we're going to get to have. But don't forget to use that promo code, which is tasty. The promo code is tasty. So you're going to be able to use that for the next 2 days. Next 2 days, you use the word tasty when you check out. And once you're checked out with that promo code, you're going to be able to get 20% off of everything that is in the food category. Okay, everything that's in the food category. So make sure you use the word tasty in the promo code checkout. If you don't use the word, you can't get the 20% off. But I know we have only 2 pages of snacks, but the really yummy snacks, and we have lots of variety in each one of those snacks. So thanks so much for joining us. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins.